this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen. I'm hoping you all have a Merry Christmas. I know I'm having one because I got a new car for Christmas, a 25 Honda Sports, and I love Honda because it's reliable, and that's the only car I would buy is a Honda. And I'm at my daughter's house, Terry, in North Carolina. I'm just sharing some of her beautiful Christmas decoration. She went out of the way, and it's so nice and stuff. It takes a lot of time to do videos, and I hope that you all looked at my videos, my cooking videos. I do my best, and I want people to enjoy it, so I do my best, and you will have a Merry Christmas if you tune into my videos. This is her second tree, and that's beautiful. Like I said, it takes some time. I hope it takes some time to do this, honey. I hope y'all looked at my sweet potato. You know, you can cook they individual sweet potatoes, and they Sun Beauty yams, and they so good. Just follow my instructions. That goes good with sweet potatoes to the have, and they very healthy for you. The sweet potatoes is one of the most healthiest, potatoes you can have. And here's her little setup on the table. She went out her way, like I said. Here's the things that she did. Made this up. The little lights on it. Put a lot of time and effort in doing these things. Like I say, putting it up is good, but taking it down is horrible for me. Okay. Now this is her other tree. I love that. You saw the other one. This is the second tree. Okay, I'm going to show you another one. This is her third little tree. This is the third one. Isn't that cute too? Now, this is one that I would put up myself. And what I would do is I'll buy them. You know how you can buy a tree already with decoration on it? And you pull it out the box and it's open up? That's the tree that I'll get. Because like I say, I love to cook, but some things I just don't like doing. Here's another setup she has. Y'all see me in the mirror. I'm trying to get rid of that. I'm taking these pictures and stuff. I'm enjoying my Christmas. And here's the table where we're going to sit down and eat. She even got this fixed up too. We're going to put some more chairs around it. But she also have a dining room. She has a table in her dining room that we can eat on also. And I know she probably enjoy that without taking all this stuff off. And last but not least is her little decorated table. She has different little treats on it. And, something that you can come back and snack on, different candies and different, little drinks and stuff. And I know it's something on here that I would like in you too. And y'all know when y'all doing this, y'all might get some ideas and you might not. But if you like this video, comment on it. And thank you all once again for tuning into Mattie's Christmas. And I hope y'all have a happy Christmas. And if I don't get back with you, and a happy New Year's too. Thank you once again for tuning into Mattie's Kitchen.